Hey guys, this is Hector Santiesteban, founder of Millennial Skills and the creator of the Chatbot 101 group. And I want to show you really quickly how to set up a Facebook ad that runs to your messenger bots. Because a lot of people, there's lots of different ways to do it. I want to show you the best way to do it. So we're going to go in here, we're going to pick campaign. And so we're going to pick campaign, and we're also going to pick messages right here. So my campaign objective, I'm going to select messages. So I'm going to go right there and I'll just name this test here. You can name an ad set if you want to, and you can create your ad as well. So we'll save that to draft. Now, there's really not going to be a whole lot that we change at the ad set level other than our placements. So if I hop in here, I'm going to take a look at my ad set level over here. And now I can choose whether I want to have them click to Messenger. And so what this means is that this is actually going to be in the newsfeed, or I've got a sponsored message right here that actually has sends them a message from the business, right? Because if they're outside of the 24-hour rule, you can send them a message. This is for people who don't have a chatbot. Now, you also notice here that there is a WhatsApp option that's coming out, so people are starting to play around with that. Now, the next thing is audiences. I can keep the same, or I can do whatever I want to do with audiences, use all your normal strategies. And then down here in placements, frankly, I like to just keep things on mobile. And that's because if they're on Facebook Messenger, I want that experience is built for the mobile. And so I want people who are seeing it on mobile. So I like to just keep it only to mobile here. Now, I also like to, unless I'm going to be targeting someone younger, unless I'm going to be going after, maybe a giveaway, or it's kind of a different kind of offer, I'm going to usually avoid Instagram just because Messenger ads from Instagram, I'm not totally convinced that that's the best way to spend your ad budget on Instagram. And then down here on messages, I'll keep those the same because if they're already in Messenger, the problem is with Instagram, I don't want to have to take them to Messenger if they're on Instagram, because the likelihood of that happening is going to be a lot harder. Now, what I love to do is I love to, I'll say some of my secrets here, but you can run your ad however you want. You can use videos, you can use text, you can use images, lots of different things. Down here at the bottom is where you really want to pay attention. So down here, I like matching up my standard templates, right? I like matching up, or these custom templates down here to what it is that I am actually, to my keywords or my quick replies up in my chatbot. So now if I notice here, I have my standard template. I don't really like that. I want to use this custom template right here, and I'll fill this out. And I don't like to really use JSon because it's confusing and it's very limiting. So I like to fill this out right here. I like to use things like this and match these quick replies up to the keywords and the AI in my chatbot. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you want more in-depth training on Facebook ads and chatbots, then just comment more and we'll give it to you. See you guys later.